Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Once again welcome back to your class Ravi Sarji Maths, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics. Students, in our today video lesson, we are going to study about some algebraic operations of two functions. Those algebraic operations are what? Addition of two functions, subtraction, multiplication and division, and we will learn how to find out the domain of operations of two functions. Okay students, first of all let me see over here. Let the function having domain 1, it is defined over R. What is the function? The domain of the function 1 is defined over R, and other function g, its domain is d2, it is also defined on R. R means what? Real number, right students? With two real function with domain d1 and d2. Here we have considered two function f1 and f2 having domain d1 and d2. These functions are defined over d1 to R and d1 to d2 to R. So the operations are what? Earlier I have told you: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first of all, see the addition of two real function. So we know that the function f plus g are two real function. If we do the addition of these functions, so it is having variable x. This function having variable x, so we can write what? F of x plus g of x. And if you want to find out the domain of these function, addition of these function, so its domain will be d1 plus d2. Similarly, subtraction of two functions having f and g having variable x, then the subtraction can be defined as f of x minus g of x, and domain of these operations of this function d1 intersection d2. Similarly students, multiplication of two function f and g are two function having variable x, so multiplication can be expressed as f of x into g of x, and its domain is d1 intersection d2, right student? So quotient of two real function. So quotients of two real function means students what? Division of two real function. Here is function f1 f and g having variable x. We can express these things f of x upon g of x. If you want to find out the domain of this function, so you will have to do what? You will have to write the intersecting element of d1 and d2, and that will be subtracted. If you will get equate this denominator not equal to 0, and you will get some real numbers, so those real numbers should be subtracted from the intersection of this domain of this function. If this function is multiplied by any scalar function, so c is any scalar term, and function f of x can be expressed as c into f of x, and its domain will be always d1, because students here we are not using the other function which is defined over g. That's why its domain will be d1, right? Earlier I told you that what is domain? The first component of the element, right student? What is domain? Element of first component is domain. Okay, let us see all these things with example through which we can get the clear about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of two function. Okay students, here you can see that we have taken f of x, the function f of x, root x, and function g of x be two function. So in the domain r plus means positive real number union element 0. So how we can define f plus g as x? So earlier we have seen over here f plus g over x, so we can write what? F of x plus g of x. Now students, here you can see that what is the value of f of x. The value of f of x is root x and the value of g of x is x. Similarly, f minus g into x, we have to do the operation of two function f minus g. So we can write this one, f of x minus g of x. The function f of x is equal to root x and g of x is what? X. Now f into z, the function f into z, multiplication of two function f and g with x. So we can express these things, f of x into z of x. So what is the value of f of x? This is equal to root x into g of x is what? X. So here students, you can write root x is equal, root x means 1 by 2 is to the power 1 by 2, x having power 1. So we can add this power, x 1 by 2 plus 1. So x is to the power will be what? 3 by 2. Now quotient of two function means division of function f by g with x. So we can express these things, f of x by g of x, right students? So the value of f of x is what? Root x and this is what? X. So here students, root x. Now this x can be written as root x into root x. So this will be cancelled out. So what we are getting? 1 upon root x. Now students, moving to the second example, function having ordered pair 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, minus 1, 10 and minus 3. Student, it means what? You having some function, but the function is not defined over here. The function is defined in the form of rooster element. So here you can see that these functions are in having element, means having any function. If the input is 2, the output is 4. If you are putting 5, you are getting 6. If you are putting 8, you are getting minus 1. If you are putting 10, you are getting minus 3. Similarly, another unknown function g, if your input is putting is 2, you are getting 5. If input is 7, output is 1. Input is 8, output is 4. Input is 10, output is 13 and so on. Here students, we have to find out the domain of that function. What is domain of function with operation, two operation? We are not going to find out the domain of f and domain of g. If you will find the domain of f, the domain of f will be what? 2, 5, 8 and 10. Similarly, if you want to find out the domain of g, the domain of g will be 2, 7, 8, 10, 11 in curl bracket. But we want to find out the domain of operation f minus g. So students, here you can see that the domain of subtraction of two real function is equal to d1 intersection d2. What is d1 intersection d2? So students, first of all, here you can see that the common element in f intersection over here. So the first of all, write down the common element f and g. So 2 and 2 is common element. Now f minus g, so 4 minus 5. So what you are getting? Minus 1. Similarly, nothing is common, so we will not consider this order pair. Now 8, 8, 8, 8. So here is the operation is minus, so minus 1, minus 4. So you are getting minus 5. Again the common element 10, and you are doing subtraction over here. So minus 3, minus 13. So minus 16. Right students? This will be what? This will be domain of operation f minus g. Next, f plus g. These are common, so 2 and 2 is common. 4 plus 5, 9, because you are doing addition of two function. Then 8 is common over here. Minus 1 plus 4, 3. 10 is common. Minus 3 plus 13, 10. This is what? Domain of f plus g. Now f into g. First of all, writing the common element 2 to 4 into 20. 4 into 5, 20. 8 is common. We are doing the multiplication. 5 into f into z. So minus 1 into 4, minus 4. 10 is common. Minus 3 into 13, minus 39. This is what? Domain of multiplication of two function. Now moving to the division. So first of all, write down the common element in f and g, 2. Now division of 4 and 5. So 4 by 5. Similarly, 8 minus 1 divided by 4, minus 1 divided by 4. 10 minus 3 divided by 13, minus 3 divided by 13. Okay students, here we are completing today video lesson. I hope you have understood this video lesson. For more video lessons of this chapter, keep watching your channel Ravi Sir Ji Maths. Thank you so much.